Hey there, I'm going to show you how to create a professional business plan for your company in 12 minutes or less. And how do I know how to do that? Well, my name is Dave Levinsky. I'm the president and founder of PlanPros.ai, which is an AI-based business plan builder. And very importantly, in 1999, I was the co-founder and I'm still the president of a company called GrowthInc. At GrowthInc, we've written business plans for over 5,000 companies. We've developed templates and guides that have helped over 1 million other companies develop their business plans on their own. So literally over a million entrepreneurs and small business owners have used my tools to develop their business plans. And importantly, I've sat with venture capitalists, angel investors, bankers, etc., while they have actually reviewed business plans. I know exactly what they're looking for, exactly the type of business plans that they fund, and equally, if not more importantly, I've watched these companies grow over time, and I know exactly the right strategies that you need to include in your plan so that it'll be successful. So I'm going to switch to my screen in a second and show you how in 12 minutes we can develop a professional, great business plan that's able to raise funding and have a strong and quality strategy that allows you to grow a very successful company. Hey, I'm back and we are inside the PlanPros website, the members area, and I'm going to create a sample business plan. I'm going to do it for a local cupcake company. I like cupcakes, and let's start a cupcake business plan so we can start that. So the first thing you do here is select a cover page design, whichever one you like, and there's actually going to be about 50 options for some users, depending on what plan you take. Okay, cover page, the information you put on your cover page. So your company name, as I said, is going to be Dave's Cupcake Emporium. I'm going to copy that in. And let's say my website is going to be davescupcakeemporium.com. And I will copy that for my email address. My name is Dave Levinsky. My title is going to be the president. My email address is going to be dave@davescupcakeemporium.com. My phone number, I'll just put a fake phone number here. This is all going to go on my cover page. My street address, I'm going to say I'm on 17 Main Street, and I live in Bend, Oregon. If you've never been here, it is lovely. So this is important because it's going to go on the cover page, and if the business is based there, a lot of the research that goes in your plan is going to be based on your location. I'll show you that in a minute. So, type of business, there's a drop down with 1,000 plus types of businesses. We're starting a cupcake company, so you just enter your business name, your type of business here. Brief description, we are a local cupcake company. Exciting, that's all you really need to write. The A is going to handle the rest. Most important products and services and your average selling price for each. So let's say we are going to offer small cupcakes for $3. I think that's a fair price. And let's do large cupcakes for $5. So those are our two products. And where is our business? Where's it located? In this case, we're also located in Bend, Oregon. That's where the business is located. That's where we're going to be selling. What market problems does your company solve? What are the top reasons your customers need and or want your product and service? Well, in this case, there is no good local cupcake shop. That's probably a good reason why customers want us. Describe why you think we're uniquely qualified to succeed. Well, our founder, which is me, has a lot of experience starting and growing companies. And that's a good reason. And we know we can create better cupcakes than anyone else. Cupcakes than anyone else locally. Okay, that's fair enough. Do we have revenues? If we are a existing business, I'd say yes, but we're just starting, we'll say no. When was your company founded? I will keep today's date. Our legal structure, let's say we're an LLC, or could say not yet incorporated. Let's say I'm incorporated as an LLC. And what accomplishments has your organization achieved to date? Well, we have named the company. Spell that. We created the company logo. Let's say the company logo, and we found a great potential location, and have started to negotiate the lease. And this is really important to show what accomplishments you've already done, to show that you've already taken and made some progress and taken some actions. Okay, customer analysis. Who are your target customers? Target customers are local residents. Easy enough. What geographical region are you competing in? And this one, once again, is Bend, Oregon, but this could be, let's say we were selling nationally. It could be, national, worldwide, or Southeast United States, Northwest United States, etc. What are the key customer needs you'll fulfill? Our customers want high quality cupcakes at an affordable rate, affordable price. Also, let's say, no, that's it. We offer, that's a customer need. We give them great cupcakes at an affordable price. That's enough. The AI will do more heavy lifting for us as needed. Our company's top 3 competitors, I just went, I actually knew this, but I went on Google Maps and did a search, and there's Itis Cupcakes, which actually is a pretty good cupcake company. Safeway is a local supermarket bakery, and 2 Sweet Cakes. What are our main competitive advantages? Why we think we're going to be better? We will make better cupcakes, and we will create customized cupcakes for customers. That's unique as well. So those are our main competitive advantages, and we are better at systems, so our quality will be more consistent. These are the first 3 things I could think of why we are going to have competitive advantages. Okay, moving right along into marketing. The AI is going to do most of the heavy lifting on this. So I'll say promotions plan. I'll say we'll do some online marketing, and the AI will handle the rest. I don't even have to check that, but I'll do that because I know we're going to want to do some social media marketing and other marketing here. Operations is next. So what key milestones do you expect to achieve in the next 2 years? So you want to, the business plan needs to show a growth plan, what you're trying to accomplish. So key milestones in the next 2 years, we want to obviously launch the location. And let's say we want to get to $25,000 a month in sales. That'll be a nice goal, month in sales. And we'll see what we need to do to get there. Team. So I'm going to be the sole member of the management team right now, and it's going to be me, Dave Levinsky. I'm going to be the president. And I can either type briefly about me, or I can just type in my LinkedIn bio, and it will pull from LinkedIn. Or I could say, once again, Dave Levinsky has a background in the dessert and cupcake space, having been a manager at a prominent cupcake shop for the last 8 years. Or once again, I could have just done my LinkedIn profile URL, and it would have pulled it from LinkedIn. Okay, funding rounds and use of funds. Well, I click this button here. It's going to use the AI to generate some investment ideas. Now, I'm not going to use all these ideas because they usually say, hey, purchasing the land. In this case, I don't want to purchase land for my cupcake business and purchase a building. I'm probably just going to lease a location. I'll have some money for build out. So what we're going to do here is going to let this run, and then we're going to actually put the investments we want here. So we know we're going to do, lease improvements, which is getting the space, and I'm not sure exactly how much money we're going to put in that, but already right here. Location build out. They said 50, once again, land, buildings we know, but location build out is a good one, better than lease improvements. And they're saying $50,000 to $200,000. Let's say, I'm going to say about $65,000 for that. We need some furniture, equipment. So I'm going to add furniture is a good one here. They think furniture is about $10,000. I'm fine with that. Equipment and machines, about $30,000 for equipment, my baking equipment machine. So the AI is already doing all this work in terms of what you need in computers and point of sale systems. So that's already done. They're saying that's probably going to be about $2,000 to $10,000. I'm going to say it'll be $5,000. So we know we need $110,000 in capital investments. The difference between capital investments and non-capital is that capital investments they depreciate. So like, let's say you own a building or equipment, it depreciates over time, and that's good for tax purposes. Non-capital, we have what's called the initial working capital, and things like paying for our first month's lease and salaries. We like to have a little extra capital on hand, and so they're saying working capital, and I'm just initial rent lease. So working capital is saying about 20 to 50,000. I'll say 30,000. They said they wanted us to do initial rent lease. Let's say 6,000. That's about 2,000 a month. That's okay for 3 months. And then initial staff salary is another good one here. Staff salaries first 3 months, $18,000, maybe a little much, but in my area, but that's pretty good. Okay, so we need to start the business, $110,000 in capital expenses, $54,000 in non-capital. We'll come back to that in a minute. And now we're going to revenues. So in this business, it's going to be product sales. We're not going to have a subscription, although we could have some sort of cupcake thing. But remember we said we're going to have small cupcakes. Cupcakes are $3. And we say, well, how many do we expect to sell each month? Let's say we're going to sell 1,500 small cupcakes, okay? And an annual growth rate of 3%. Let's say 5%. We're going to grow 5%. Average price is $3. How do we expect to raise our price each year? Let's say we're going to raise our prices to like 2%. How much does it cost to produce a cupcake? I'm going to say it's going to cost us 40 cents. And how much are our product costs going to grow per year? Let's say 1%. Let's add one more product. Let's add large cupcakes. We said those were going to be $5, so we're going to add large cupcakes. Large cupcakes, we're going to sell, let's say we're going to sell 800 large cupcakes a month. Annual growth rate, let's say 10%. These cost $5. Annual price, we're going to increase our prices by 3% per year. Costs us about 55 cents to deliver a large cupcake, and our price is going to grow by 1%. So those are our two products that we added here. My monthly salary, I'd like to make a salary of, let's say, $4,000 a month. And let's say the rest of my staff is going to cost $4,500 a month. And marketing expenses, $500. And these are all growth rates on the right side, already done for you, average growth rates. Initial rent is going to be about $2,000. Insurance, $100 a month. And supplies, $50. And maintenance, $50. And legal and software $50. So it gives you all the expenses, and so you save your expenses there. And now we're looking at it already calculated, already pulled in the $110,000 of capital expenditures, the $54,000 of other funding that we need. And that in this case here, we're going to use debt funding. You know, if we want to use equity funding, I can just change this number here. If I wanted to do 0% debt or 50%, the rest would be equity. So that's already done for you. Most of these numbers, you just leave them alone. Depreciation rate, debt payback, 5-year loan, etc. That's already done for you. Others, and actually then it automatically calculates your financial projections. Actually, in this case, it's interesting that we're losing money. And so this is really good. This is looking at your business, say, hey, if we run this business like this, we're not going to make money. So in this case, we know that our sales are not enough to support this. So if we want to be in this business, our small cupcakes, we need to probably do, 3,000 cupcakes a month. And save that. Maybe we need to add our customized cupcakes as well as remember we talked about doing custom cupcakes, and that's like catering and custom cupcakes. And let's say we're going to sell, 5,000 cupcakes a month. And these maybe are going to be cheaper, or let's say these are going to be at $3 and they can cost 50 cents, and we'll raise our growth rates by 3% and our prices by 3%, our cost by 1%, and save this. And let's see what this did to our financials. That's actually called scenario planning and scenario modeling. And you can see with these changes here, now we went from a business that was losing money to making $78,000 the first year, making $137,000 in year 5. That's including our salaries. Very importantly, the big issue here was growth rates. So if we say the small cupcakes, instead of a 5% annual growth rate, we go to a 15% growth rate here, and we save that and go back to our summary financials, and you're going to see a higher profit margin in future years. You can see now it went up to 180,000. That's in profit. That's in addition to my salary. So that's the financials, which are essentially already done. And now let's generate our entire business plan. To do that, we have to click the button, generate your business plan. This is going to take about 1.5 minutes on average to do, but some sections are going to generate even faster than that. So it already started generating some sections, and we're going to, I'll wait till company, well, let's skip right to industry analysis. Based on latest data, the cupcake industry is thriving, and the current size of the market is worth over $1.2 billion. So what it's doing here is it's telling you the size of the market, and it's telling you what's going on. It's expected to continue an upward trajectory. And very importantly, what do investors and lenders want to know? They want to know that the market size and the trends are favorable for our business. Look at this. Recent trends in the cupcake industry are particularly promising for Dave's Cupcake Emporium. One notable trend is the growing demand for specialty cupcakes with unique flavorings and designs, and we're going to meet this demand by offering gourmet flavors and stunning designs. So basically, it's not only is it giving us the market research, it's telling us what's happening in the market, and it's showing what we need to do to be more successful. In this case, it's saying we can meet this demand by offering a wide range of gourmet flavors and visually stunning designs. So it's actually giving me improving my strategy. Now, if I don't like this, I can just edit this and delete this, and I can add pictures, I can bold it, you can edit the plan. So going back here, company analysis here, welcome to Dave's Cupcake Emporium. It's saying what we're doing, the newest sensation, and what we are. We're not just another cupcake store. We're a cupcake company committed to making every bite memorable for our customers. We offer small cupcakes for $3 and large cupcakes for $5. We're located in Bend, Oregon. Why we're going to succeed. Our founder brings a wealth of experience. Remember, we mentioned that earlier. We're driven by the conviction that we'll create a better cupcake than anyone else. And what we've done so far, here's when we started. We've already named our company. We've designed the company logo. And so I typed in, design logo. And here, it basically expands on that, designing company logo that reflects our brand and securing a prime location. So it puts everything in perfectly written, professionally written English. So that's really freaking great. Target customers, we're going to target local residents who have a penchant for sweet treats and gourmet baked goods. It'll also attract tourists. Bend's actually a big tourist town. And furthermore, and this one we don't have to keep, we'll target health-conscious segment by offering a selection of cupcakes with alternative ingredients such as gluten-free or vegan options. This is a great idea that maybe I wasn't thinking of, that, hey, let's keep it. It's a great idea. Let's do this. Customer needs, talks about customer needs. Customers want high-quality cupcakes. They seek variety and the ability to choose from designs and dietary options. So it really is telling, hey, here's what customers want. This is going to help us with our strategy and help investors and lenders say, hey, these guys really know their market and what they're doing. Let's fund them. Competitor analysis, I just gave them the names of the companies, and in most cases, it's going to basically pull the information from their websites and online, and it says, hey, they're operating several locations in Bend, and their strengths, their weaknesses, Safeway Bakery, Too Sweet, so it automatically does the customer analysis. Competitive advantages, very important section of your business plan. Why are you different? Why are you better? And here, because we craft our competitive advantages, that we craft better, superior cupcakes. We use better quality ingredients. Because understanding that customers have unique preferences, we offer customized cupcakes to cater to individual taste and dietary needs. So this is why our competitive advantages, and we typed in a couple, what do we type in, 5, 6 words, and automatically expands on that, makes it better. Marketing products and marketing is the product section here. Here, I'd probably get rid of this section here, this sentence, we don't need that. And our cupcake section, once again, small cupcakes, $3, large cupcakes, $5, custom orders, and celebrations. Here, visit us. PlanPros.ai, you don't need everything. We invite you. This is more, probably copy this, put this on my website. We don't need it here. Promotional plan. If you remember, in the promotion section, I said I just clicked the online marketing thing. So it says we're going to use a variety of promotional promotional methods to attract a loyal customer base, engage with community. The cornerstone of the promotional strategy is a robust online marketing campaign. And so that means, and that's all I collected before was that one thing. And you can see here, this includes a user-friendly website, online ordering, photography of the cupcakes. We're going to have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. We'll do email marketing as well. We're also going to use local partnerships, influencer marketing, loyalty programs. These are all great ideas. Loyalty programs having the, buy 10 cupcakes, get one free, etc. And then we'll do traditional advertising like local radio spots, print advertising. So I'm not saying, and also finally hosting charity events, etc. I'm not saying we're going to do all these things. So feel free to say, hey, we don't want to do this, delete this. That's fine. But what it automatically did was automatically using years of data of successful marketing promotional tactics for small businesses like a cupcake business automatically includes that in your business plan. So it's a great strategy, shows investors and lenders that you know what you're doing. And if you don't want to do the influencer marketing, you just delete it. So it really has everything for you. Key operational processes. This just tells you exactly what you need to do on a day-to-day basis. Once again, helping you plan out your business, helping readers of your plan say, wow, this person really understands this business. So to ensure the success of Dave's Cupcake Emporium, there are several key day-to-day operations that we will perform, maintaining inventory, offering customer service, processing transactions, utilizing merchandising stats, right? So it basically tells us exactly what we need to do on a day-to-day basis. And then milestones showing, what the goals are so we can map out what we need to do. So we need to do the following milestones to succeed and we need to secure the location, get our permits, build out and decorate the store, hire and train our staff, launch the location with the eventual goal, remember, being reached $25,000 a month in sales. So all I did earlier was say the goal is to launch the store and get to $25,000 in sales. This filled in all the other blanks explaining exactly what we need to do to accomplish success. So keeps us focused, lets investors and lenders know what they need. Here, it says, here's the team, here's me. It says I have, with over 8 years of hands-on management experience in a leading cupcake shop. That's what I said in my bio. It says Dave has honed his skills in operations, customer service. So it really makes it good. Other people, if we want them, we can put them here. If not, easy peasy, delete, done. Funding requirements. We need $164,000. Remember, we needed, let me see, stretch out so you can see everything. So we needed capital investments was this chart here, and then non-capital investments was this, with $164,000 in total funding. And then the executive summary does everything. It basically gives you, it's the first section of your plan. It gives you company overview, who we are, why we're going to be successful, who our management team is, etc. And what you can do here is if you make any changes to the plan, like here, let's say we did not want to use influencer marketing, we delete that, we save the plan, and then we regenerate the executive summary to include a summary of the latest, greatest in the plan. And then finally, download the plan. Click download as PDF, takes a second here. It's going to generate the plan in the cover I chose. Remember this here, goes through the executive summary, summary financials, entire plan, the company overview, industry analysis, customer analysis, competitive analysis, competitive advantages, marketing plan, products, and selection, promotions plan, operations plan, key operational processes, all of our milestones, management team members, financial plan. These are summary financials, funding and use of funds, how much money we need, and then it does some nice charts to show your revenue, gross profit, net income. Then it has your 5-year income statement, 5-year balance sheet, 5-year cash flow statement. So this is everything that investors and lenders need to see in your plan. Simple, easy enough. So I'm pretty proud of what we created at PlanPros, allowing you to create a business plan in just a few minutes. Hopefully this answered any questions you might have regarding how it works. We have a very robust customer service center and team. So if you have any questions, definitely shoot us an email or chat with us, and we'd love to help you create a great business plan so you can create a great company and improve your life and improve your community and hire people. And it's all good. When people launch successful businesses, it just only goodness comes out of it. So I hope you found this helpful and look forward to helping you create a business plan for your company. Have a great day.